Good morning, students. Today we'll continue the revision of agriculture, and in that we'll study about different cropping pattern in India. Okay. So, if you see the cropping pattern in India, we have three types of major cropping pattern in India. The first one is Rabi. Second one is Kharif, and the third one is Jaid. Rabi season is also known as winter season crop, and Kharif season is also known as monsoon season. Monsoon season crop, and next we see Jaid is known as summer season crop. Okay, right. So let us study about the Rabi season. Rabi season, as we know, it is known as a winter season. Present ongoing season is also known as Rabi season only, that is winter season. The harvesting of this season, that is Rabi season, starts from first week of November, okay, and the sowings of seeds of Rabi season starts from the first week of November, and the harvesting start by end of April and last up to by May. By May, the harvesting of Rabi season completes. The main reason behind the main crops which are grown in Rabi season are wheat, mustard, peas, okay. Pulses are also grown, okay. So these are the main crop. Now wheat is the main crop which is grown in the Rabi season. The reason is that this crop requires moist climate. At the time of sowing and maturing or its growth, it is required very moist climate. It requires dew, and it requires even frost type of climate. That is why during winter, the most suitable type of climate we find for the wheat. Okay, and mostly it is grown in the northern part of India, and you find northern part of India having very good cold climate season from November till February, and this is the period of growing, and after February, March and all, slowly little bright sunlight comes. So after ripening and all, it requires sunny and bright climate that start from the March. So by end of March, most of the places it's get ready. That's why after the first or second week of April, the harvesting of Rabi season starts place. Okay, by end of April or first or second week of May, the harvesting of this crop completes. Okay, next one is Kharif. Kharif is also known as monsoon season crop. The best example of Kharif season crop is paddy or rice, we say. Okay, so paddy requires lot of water for its growth and all. That is why this crop is grown in the monsoon season. So the beginning of this season starts from mid-June, and harvesting takes place by October. Okay, so in our country, southwest monsoon also starts from the mid-June and till mid-September. Okay, that's why in our country the Kharif season starts from the mid-June, and by the first week to second week or end of the October, the harvesting of these crops take place. Okay, at the time of ripening, the paddy requires very hot and humid climate. That's why in October month we find more humidity, the temperature will be very high at the daytime, and by night it starts going down. So the harvesting season, okay, of this is by October. After wheat, maize, barley, jowar, bajra, groundnut or some grams or some other types of food grains which are grown during the Kharif season. Okay. Next, between Kharif season and Rabi season, there is a small duration, maybe for 2 to 3 months or less than that also, maybe 1.5 to 2 months only maximum. Okay. During that period, we see in some areas where there is availability of water, where there is water availability, good irrigation facility, or on the bank of rivers and all, the farmers grow certain summer crops which is known as Zaid season. Mostly we see like we see cucumber, watermelon, okay, and some other summer vegetables and fruits which are the main grown in the Zaid season. But this requires very good irrigation facilities. These two we can have almost in many parts of the country, but Zaid season is found only in those areas where we have very good irrigation facilities. In North India, during Kharif season, paddy is grown only one time. Okay, but we see in our country coastal area, we have very good coastal area because 9 states of India have coastal line, and we see almost all the rivers of India are flowing toward the east except few. Okay, because our country is slightly tilted toward the east. Okay, so we see during off season also, that is apart from the monsoon season, that is Kharif season, farmers in West Bengal, Odisha, coastal Andhra, Tamil Nadu, they grow this paddy twice or thrice in a year. The reason is that availability of water, and the climate in the coastal area neither will be too hot nor too cool. We find moderate type of climate which is also suitable for the growth of paddy. So in these areas we find the farmers growing more than twice or thrice, minimum to maximum 3 times they grow in a particular year. That is why in this coastal area in South India, the rice is the main staple food in those parts. Okay. Next, you might have heard about commercial farming. Okay. Commercial farming. The word commercial starts or indicates nothing but profit oriented or business. Okay. The main purpose of commercial farming is to earn huge profit, to do business. The crops which are grown in commercial farming are also known as cash crops. Example, you can take banana, sugarcane, or you can take tea, coffee, okay, many planted rubber, all are part of commercial crop. These are also known as cash crops because directly from the field they can be sent to the marketplace or to the industries. That is why they are known as cash crops. Now, commercial crop or commercial farming is done on a large scale by using high techniques, high yielding variety of seeds, HYB seeds. Okay, apart from that, very good fertilizers, irrigation facilities. Okay, they use well mechanized system of agriculture using tractors, harvesters, threshers, all are used. Here mostly it is, you can say, mechanized form of agriculture. In our country, mostly the farmers okay, they do commercial farming on a large scale in order to earn profit. See, if you see rice in South India, it is a staple crop. But if you see paddy or rice growing in Punjab and Haryana, they do grow it for the business purpose. Okay, their main purpose is to sell and earn huge profit. So this is about the commercial farming. Okay, next, we have various types of food grains. Okay, like wheat, rice, maize, bajra, jowar and all, and these all are grown in various seasons. So the requirement of rainfall, temperature or the availability of soil differs for all these crops. Okay, so students, that's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow.